The other day you were talking about the witchcraft of the Nordic countries.
Yes.
And its relationship with Freemasons.
Yes.
I was following you. We are talking about witchcraft that has been introduced, their witchcraft that has been introduced to Africa. And I'm looking at this concept of Freemasons coming to build in our land, not only in Kenya, but in
worldwide,
in other places. If this witchcraft that came from the Nordic places, and you're saying that the Freemason headquarters is in Reading, did you say?
No, from the UK Freemasons headquarters is they started it in Reading.
Because
that is where they built the temple, the first temple, what is in Reading.
Because what I read was that the way they started Freemason, it was started by Masons themselves.
Yes.
You know, these stone
the stone
artisans.
builders.
Yes,
the stone
builders.
Yes.
That's how they started it. How did it evolve to now include other professionals?
Yeah, when this information emanated from King Solomon, and the people that were with King Solomon, they're the ones that coined the whole story.
Yes.
The people that did not have an agenda for God, they used the knowledge behind Solomon, and that's why they associated themselves with the wisdom of Solomon. So Freemason is banged on Solomon's theory, and Freemason is about coding. The messages are coded in numbers, are coded in numerology and astrology. The entire system of Freemason is numerology and astrology, because getting the things of the world, they are in numerology and astrologies. You have to decode numbers. That you see, in Catholic we have vicarious Fidei, meaning 666, and that is what is written in the crown of Pope. Vicarious,
that kofia,
it's written vicarious Fidei. For you, you read it, it is vicarious Fidei. But when you go deeper to the Latin, you understand this 666 meaning the number of the devil. If you look at the barcode, any barcode, look at the barcode. Each barcode has a number. In the beginnings there is 6, in the middle there is 6, and towards the end is the 6.
The ones we buy in supermarkets.
Anything that you do, any barcode, the receipts, whatever you do, the banking, the phone, it has a barcode, and that's why every time now we have been taken back to the barcode.